Man, I keep saying, the whole Ghana or the whole world, happiness is in the village. Happiness is in the village. Travel and see. Yeah. For shizzle my nizzle. Or Kodo.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie Cuisine that code. I'm back again. So mommy man for Asuchare in the Volta region, and over here they process Gary. So I went to these ladies to see how they process their Gary, since Gary from the Volta region tastes really nice and unique. So on my arrival, they welcomed me nicely and I had to show them appreciation. I sponsored for their lunch so that we could all eat together. The food they requested was akpele with smoked fish and hot pepper. It was all fun and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe and share. Let's do this. So we are doing akpele with the family over here, and man, it is ongoing. So akpele with hot pepper. Village cooking is the best thing ever. Man, look at the joy and happiness that she using to cook. Tell me, like, after everything, the food will contain flavor and happiness. Like, you see happiness inside the food. That's amazing, you know? I keep saying, like, even the local settings will satisfy you, like, automatically. It will satisfy you automatically. Yeah. So after this, the porridge balls, we add in the flour, then we start akpele. So basically, there are 3 to 4 types of akpele in Volta region. But in today's video, we'll be doing the corn flour akpele. So since it's for large people, you see, she needs to stand up to do the proper stirring. Yeah, she can't sit and do it. Manfe asuchore. Wow. So first time seeing akpele inside a big pan like this. As I said, this was like kind of impromptu stuff, an emergency. David Felicia, right? No. Patricia. How many years have akpele? No akpele. Since you're older. Uma deni. Kosumse. Ose okay. Okay. So we are doing the grinding of pepper over here. This akpele will be served with hot pepper, and we have it over here. Okay, so local settings, stone, and this is what it is. Okay. And as you can see, since the pepper is not ready, and wrapping everything inside rubber. I wanted them to use the plantain leaves, but they don't want to listen. Look at Joe. What's her name? I can say Nkoide. Antoinette. Nkoide. Black Beauty. Nkoide. Naftali. Oh, okay, Naftali. You? Lepe. Okay, Lepe. You? Priscilla. Okay. Okay. So basically, here is Eweland. So most of the kids don't understand Chi or English, just as I also don't understand Ewe. Yeah. So we are roasting
the fish, the smoked fish a bit. This is mackerel. Gashivia meveve. Ow. Okay. So when I see things like this, some salt to it to taste. Yeah. So when I see people asking about why are they not putting on tables, and man, this is a typical village. Over here, the settings is different. And trust me, these people have been living years and decades. I know it's like hygienic stuff, but you need to understand, it's like it will take a lot of time and education for them to migrate from this kind of behavior to a different level. So when you see videos of this such manner, calm yourself down, because where you were born is different from where these people live. Okay? Yeah, so the food is ready, and the whole family is really amazing. Yeah, so I wash my hand also. No,
Genevieve, you know eating.
Man, it is beautiful.
We can't like a
Drive.
Hey, Vivi. Hey, Vivi. I can come on. Hey, there. I open for me. Can I come ready? Number show. Amen. Man, I keep saying, the whole Ghana or the whole world, happiness is in the village. Happiness is in the village. Travel and see. Yeah. Once a while, pick a car, go to the village and explore things for yourself. Baby, mommy. Oh, my God, baby, mommy, sit there. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'm in Manfe Asuchore, and man, it's really beautiful over here. This cassava or gari makers. It's really amazing to be in the midst of a group like this, to have fun. Yeah, so if you want to see more of these kind of videos, man, then send me Momo. 020-111-4223. Send me some Momo, and I'll be going to villages. And I'll do like try and eat with the group or the people in the village like this, you know. It's really beautiful. Let's do this again. Who can we see? Make sure you share and subscribe for Shizzle Manizo or Ricardo.
La vida chita bella macaón.